Well, gas prices are up 16 cents a gallon over the last 2 weeks, and now they're set to go even higher. No one wants to hear that.
Yeah, OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, announced Wednesday it will cut oil production by 2 million barrels a day. National correspondent Mara Siriani is live here in Atlanta. And Mara, tell us more about what this means for everyday people going to pump gas. Are prices going to skyrocket once again?
Well, Alex and Lindsay, good morning. In short, this is not great news for consumers. Some analysts predicting that the average national price of gas could jump towards that $5 mark. We saw record highs really over the summer. A lot of folks are hoping we don't get back to that. But really the motivation here by OPEC is clear. They want to keep the price of oil high on the global market. It's something no driver wants to hear. Just as gas prices began to rebound after reaching summer highs, OPEC, a group of major oil producers, which includes Saudi Arabia and Russia, announced plans to cut production by 2 million barrels a day, the largest cut in oil production since the start of the pandemic.
We are not endangering the energy markets. We are providing security, stability to the energy markets.
At a price.
Everything has a price. Energy security has a price as well.
As the price of oil slid from summer highs of $120 a barrel down to around $80, gas prices also fell. Now oil is once again trending sharply higher. In the short term, analysts predict the move could force the price of crude oil back over $100 a barrel. It's a move that would also help Russia pay for its war in Ukraine, undermining a plan by 7 wealthy nations to cap the price of oil on the global market.
We are working every single day to make sure, to the best of our ability, that, again, energy supply from wherever is actually meeting demand in order to ensure that energy is on the market and that prices are kept low.
Just 5 weeks out from the midterm elections, it's also a huge blow to the Biden administration, a move the White House calls short-sighted. As it stands, AAA reports the national average is $3.83 a gallon, but in some states, it's much higher than that. California is averaging around $6.42 for unleaded, and in some areas of the Golden State, drivers are paying more than $8. Drivers in Nevada, Oregon, and Washington, all pivotal midterm swing states, are paying more than $5 a gallon. Rising oil prices could mean inflation stays higher for longer, adding to pressure on the Fed to hike interest rates even more aggressively. And back in July, President Biden visited Saudi Arabia, working, of course, to repair relations there with that country amid the highest inflation in 40 years. Yesterday, the White House said they don't believe that visit was a total waste. However, the president yesterday expressing some frustration, really, of course, with OPEC's decision. Now, I just checked gas prices this morning. Drivers out in L.A., they're paying an average of about $6.49. And drivers, of course, hope that those prices don't go up. But energy analysts say that if OPEC is successful with this, hopefully the price hikes that we see here across the country at gas stations would only be temporary. Guys, back to you.